All right, guys, so we just made it to our first stop on the trip. We're in California right now. We're at our hotel, as you can see, by LAX. We will be flying out in the morning, so today we thought we'd do just kind of a quick little travel vlog. You know, we'll do a hotel tour, or at least room tour, probably room tour later, so we're going to just go ahead and head out now, I believe, and we're going to go see what we can see. I think we're heading to Santa Monica Pier. If you don't know, Santa Monica Pier is where historic Route 66 ends on the West Coast, so I'm kind of excited about that. So stick around, and we'll get a quick little travel vlog in today. So roll that intro. Alright guys, we're at Santa Monica Pier. Look at this. So we're going to take a walk down and see what we can see.
I was on a plane to California. I had all the time I'd ever need. Did you even know I was looking for you? I think that I was hiding in between. How long did you wait for me?
These cool older buildings really set the ambiance, I feel like. Kind of see the Ferris wheel. And tons of like restaurants right here. I think every seaside location isn't complete without a Bubba Gump's Shrimp Company. It's right here. And if you didn't know, the Santa Monica Pier is the end of Route 66 on the West Coast. There's a sign saying right here, everyone getting their sweet pick in front of the sign. Tons of people playing in the ocean. Look at this. I can't blame them, although it is a little bit, it's not like exceptionally warm today, but have all these little stands set up here with little goods you can buy. Smell that salt air. Awesome out here. All the birds on the beach. I don't know if y'all can see them, but this is hilarious. There's tons. Seagulls and other birds. Look like pigeons almost, some of them. Arcade over there. A little fun, little bouncy thing here. Oh, funnel cakes, yes. No shortage of things to buy along here for sure. Check this out. Now we're out on the pier. The Pacific Ocean right there. We'll be heading off in Beth's direction tomorrow. Keeping up with the Route 66 theme. They got a Route 66 sign, a little Airstream here on the pier, kind of down towards the end. Well, so far this has been pretty cool little pier, little stop on our Hawaii adventure. So I guess this amusement park is called Pacific Park. Probably only open on the weekends or evenings, I'm not sure. But they do have the scrambler, the Ferris wheel, dolphin topiary with all kinds of Christmas lights in it. Having fun?
Yes.
Here's kind of a look back on the end of the pier. I think the beauty of Southern California is being able to see the ocean and the mountains off in the distance. It's amazing. All right, gonna head down to the end of the pier. They got these cool palm trees. It's interesting, they kind of have this like little walkway in the middle thing in case you don't want to walk on these boards. They're a little bit uneven in some places, but old and weathered pier, I get it. These wooden palm trees are kind of kitschy and cool. It's like a restaurant set out here amongst the end of the pier. It's a pretty good view. Looking back down the pier. We're way out here now. The waves are breaking way over there and we're out here. Was it worth the trip?
Yes, it is definitely neat.
I mean, it was cool to see for sure, I think. Like these, I would guess these are like older hotels and such on the, up here on the hill. So our Uber driver told us that Hollywood was pretty close to here. So Beverly Hills, Hollywood, kind of neat. I actually didn't know, never been really out to California before. So it's kind of cool that he was sharing some knowledge with us.
And don't forget that Venice Beach is right down the road too.
Yeah, he said Venice Beach was like a 5 to 10 minute drive down the road. So that's like the famous like Arnold Schwarzenegger Muscle Beach type thing. So, you know, I don't know if we'll check that out today, but you know, maybe next trip, you never know. Just kind of a longer look back at where we were over there by the Ferris wheel. Kind of see the waves crashing on the pier a little bit. Okay, heading back down the pier. Kind of by where we started, just kind of a long look out. Yep, here's the sign again. We're walking back up. I think it'd be cool one day to drive, you know, either west to east or east to west on Route 66 for sure. One thing to note here, there's plenty of bike rentals down around here too. Kind of neat way to see the pier, I would imagine, or right up and down the beach. All right, so we just had lunch back here at
Seaside on the Pier?
Seaside on the Pier. Nice little restaurant. I've never seen a lobster BLT before, so I, of course, had to go for it. We would have showed you guys food, but
it's really loud inside.
A lot of copyright music in there, so we decided, you know, maybe we'll insert some pictures here if we give them to Keith. Maybe. We took pictures of it, so...
So Eric got the lobster BLT, and it had fries and coleslaw. The fries were really good, nice seasoning on them. I had the lobster roll, and it also came with fries and coleslaw. Totally awesome, and would definitely recommend.
Yeah, for sure.
Lots of lobster on them.
Yeah, the fries were amazing. Like, seriously, I don't know what they put on them, but they were really good.
Yes.
The coleslaw, I would pass on it. If they would do another side, I would have done that. But overall, I think it's a solid recommend. What do you think?
Definitely recommend.
All right, let's keep on going. All right, well, it's about noon. Looks like the Ferris wheel started kicking in. Over on the pier, we walked down here and we found Muscle Beach, the original location of Muscle Beach. I believe now the new location is down a little bit further in Venice, but it's still cool. The beach is like so wide here. We got a beach bike path and a sign for downtown, which is up the hill that way. Got some nice bathrooms down here, I guess, to, you know, if you're out on the beach, it's nice to have a bathroom. Yet again, more bike rentals up here. Tons of people out here enjoying the, I guess, rings and bars, all kinds of stuff out here. Wow, yeah, there is. Look at that kid go. He's getting it. Oh, he's almost there. Oh, did he get it? Oh, so close.
How long did you wait for me? How long did you really need to figure it out?
All right, guys, we kind of warped back to the hotel room. Anyway, we wanted to give you a little hotel tour here, or at least room tour. Maybe hotel tour, we'll see. But this hotel is pretty nice. We're at the Embassy Suites South, so we're like south of the LAX. It's like every other Embassy Suites room, except for we got the premium room, which just includes like free snacks or something. So I'll show you that in a second. So let's get into it. So there's a Beth. She doesn't come included with the room though, but.
So we've got a nice little living area with the couch and a chair and a nice big TV and a desk and an extra chair. We've also got the little mini kitchenette. with a microwave or refrigerator and snacks and a coffee maker and a little sink.
Show you the snacks real fast. Just kind of like your standard coffee bar with a few extra snackies, some chips and water. And then in the fridge you get like Cokes. I think there's a 7-Up and orange juice in there. Your Keurig coffee maker. So in here we have just your standard probably Embassy Suites bathroom, nothing too fancy. You know, it's nice for what it is. It's got a nice decent sized counter, which I really like. I hate when the sink's like, you know, you have no counter space to put your stuff. The toilet and kind of like a just standard size shower, I would say, but it's got the nice bowed out shower curtain rod, so you get a little extra room in there. And this looks like an adjoining room, so we've hid all of our luggage here. Don't look. And then we got another Beth in here.
And this is the bedroom area. We got a king size room. I do love the fact that each bedside table has 2 outlets so that you can plug any sleeping devices that you need into it. And there's also a sink area in the bedroom so 2 people can be getting ready at the same time.
Yeah, that is a nice feature. It's got like a whole full another sink right here, which is awesome. The TV in the bedroom is a little bit punier compared to the one out there, but.
And there's also a closet, and it looks like I do believe that the couch in the living room folds out into a sofa bed, and the linens or the extra blankets and pillows for that bed are in our closet. We have a safe.
So I guess along with the premium view room, our premium room comes with the premium view. Hold on. Okay, so that right there is our premium view. It is LAX airport, so we're on the south side. There's a couple of runways like right here, and then the tower obviously, and then the spaceship looking thing that, you know, when you think of LAX, you see that all the time. So gonna be flying out of there in the morning. So other than that, it's just kind of a street view room, which is okay. So just another look at the bed. It's kind of got a nice tall headboard in there, king size bed. So that's our quick hotel tour here. Hope you guys enjoyed the quick little impromptu travel day vlog, basically is what this was. So tomorrow we'll have some more travel day, probably vlog content coming to you on our adventures to Honolulu. So stay tuned next week for that. But until we catch you again in the next vlog, drop a like on this video. Consider clicking subscribe down there. It really helps the channel out if you do. And, you know, leave us a comment. Let me know what you thought of my little impromptu travel vlog and Beth and myself taking over the channel for a little bit. So anyway, I hope you guys liked it. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace and love.